In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add object in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed to place text, shapes, or simple drawings directly onto a PDF, this walkthrough will make the process clear and hassle-free. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the app is up, choose the PDF you want to work with. If it's a document you receive from someone else, it's a good idea to save a copy first, so you can experiment without changing the original. Also, if the PDF is secured or scanned, some tools may behave differently. Acrobat will usually prompt you to enable editing or recognize text. With your file open, look for the Edit PDF option. Click it to switch Acrobat into editing mode. You'll notice a new toolbar and a Properties panel appear, giving you access to tools that can add and adjust content directly on the page. This is where we'll be spending our time. In the Small Tool menu, find the icon that looks like a capital A. This is your gateway to adding textual objects and related elements. Click it to add text anywhere on the page. A text box will appear where you click, and you can immediately start typing. Use the font drop-downs to change typeface, size, and color, and the alignment options to position your text just right. If you need to move it, click and drag the box. Use the corner handles to resize. For precision, zoom in before adjusting, and check the Properties panel to fine-tune spacing and appearance. That same A section often offers additional options to place other content, like images or basic elements, depending on your version. When adding items, keep an eye on contrast and legibility, especially if you're placing text over a background image. If something doesn't land exactly where you want it, use Undo to step back and try again. You'll also see a Draw option. This lets you place lines, arrows, rectangles, circles, and even freehand marks, which is perfect for simple shapes or quick callouts. After selecting a drawing tool, click and drag on the page to create it. Then adjust stroke color, thickness, fill, and opacity in the Properties panel. For clean results, hold Shift while drawing to constrain proportions for perfect squares or circles. If a shape covers content, reduce opacity or reposition it until it complements your layout. When you're satisfied, review your page at 100% zoom to confirm everything is crisp and aligned. Finally, save your changes or export a copy so you can share the updated PDF confidently. That's all there is to adding objects in Adobe Acrobat. Simple, flexible, and fast.